Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing fine and keeping yourself safe by following all the protocols of COVID 19 and enjoying the life at home, right? So, children, in this chapter number 1, today is the last lecture for that. And children, you have studied about nitrogen fixation in this chapter. So this is an extra information I'm giving you here, that what is nitrogen fixation. Now look at this. This is a leguminous plant, and if you see the root nodules, I'll show you even a clearer picture. You look at the root nodules, right? these are the nodules. ये जो nodes हैं ये फूले हुए हैं, swollen हैं. Why? Because these are the colonies of rhizobium bacteria. So this rhizobium bacteria lives in the root nodules of the leguminous plant. Leguminous plants means those plants which provides us pulses, legumes, right? Sweet pea, all sorts of beans, rajma and all that. Okay, so how does this nitrogen fixation occurs? Let us see. Okay, you will find this picture, and in this picture children ध्यान से देखिएगा. These are our leguminous plants, and here we have rhizobium bacteria living in the roots. Now these plants, these grains are eaten by animals, right? And animals die. Plants also die. They are decomposed by the bacteria and other microbes. Alright. Now here, let us come back to the nitrogen fixing bacteria. It is found in the root nodules. Now what these nitrogen fixing bacteria have done, they have caused ammonification. मतलब जो atmospheric nitrogen थी उसको इन्होंने लिया and they converted into NH4 ammonium ion. ठीक है, they converted into ammonium ion. Then what happened? इवन ये जो डिकम्पोजर्स ने डिकम्पोज किए थे ऑर्गेनिक मैटर, डेड एंड डीकेइंग ऑर्गेनिक मैटर और फीकल मैटर, है ना, ये प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स को डिकम्पोज किया था तो भी हमें अमोनियम मिला था. अब क्या हो रहा है, इस अमोनियम का नाइट्रिफिकेशन हो रहा है बाय द नाइट्रीफाइंग बैक्टीरिया. अगेन दे आर प्रेजेंट इन द सॉइल. They are converting this ammonium into nitrites, and again same nitrifying bacteria are converting those nitrites into nitrates. So actually plants and animals can actually plants can absorb these nitrogen into only these forms of nitrites and nitrates, right? I'll repeat again. Plants can absorb the nitrogen in the form of nitrites and nitrates. So fine, we have nitrites and nitrates here, and the plants are assimilating them, absorbing them, and that is how the legumes are so rich in protein. Okay, because nitrogen is the basic source for protein, right? अब ये एक्सेस ऑफ नाइट्रेट्स एंड नाइट्राइट्स है भाई. नाइट्रोजन साइकिल हमें कंप्लीट करनी है. ये नाइट्रोजन को वापस भी तो एटमॉस्फेयर में जाना है ना. दिस नाइट्रोजन हैज़ टू गो बैक ऑल्सो. तो जितनी ज़रूरत थी वो इतनी ज़्यादा एक्सेस बन जाता है कि एट टाइम्स देयर आर सम डी नाइट्रीफाइंग बैक्टीरिया. देखो, डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज. देर आर नाइट्रीफाइंग बैक्टीरिया जो कि अमोनियम को दे आर कन्वर्टिंग इनटू नाइट्राइट्स एंड नाइट्रेट्स. नाउ देर आर डीनाइट्रीफाइंग बैक्टीरिया ऑल्सो, एंड दे आर कन्वर्टिंग दिस एक्सेस ऑफ nitrates. The quantity is very high, so don't bother that next generation की क्रॉप्स के लिए क्रॉप रोटेशन में उनके लिए बचेगी नहीं. बहुत है, बहुत ज़्यादा है भाई. 78% ऑफ आवर एटमॉस्फेयर इज़ कंसिस्टेड ऑफ नाइट्रोजन गैस. तो ये जो कन्वर्जन होता है ये बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. सो देर आर सम डी नाइट्रीफाइंग बैक्टीरिया. इन्हें भी तो कुछ काम करने के लिए मिलना चाहिए कि नहीं मिलना चाहिए? Right, you got me right. So these denitrifying bacteria, they convert this nitrates into nitrogen gas again, right? So this is how the nitrogen circulates in the atmosphere. नहीं तो एक्सेस भी नहीं हो सकता ना. डेड एंड डीकेइंग ऑर्गेनिक मैटर है, वो भी नाइट्रिफिकेशन होकर नाइट्रेट्स में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. जो legumes they are also converting it, rhizobium. And children, there is one more method through which this gets converted, and that is जो बिजली चमकती है, you know, whenever there is electricity, thunders and this electrical discharge in the atmosphere, lightning strikes. So this lightning creates so much amount of energy that this nitrogen gets converted into nitrates and nitrites. Alright, so there are three ways through which the atmospheric nitrogen can be converted into nitrates and nitrites, and plants can absorb it. So children, this is all about nitrogen fixation. Now let us come back to the back exercises of this chapter, and the first question is that select the fill in the blank. Now few sections I have already taught, but all the new children, to everyone, the fill in the blanks, match the column, all these questions you have to do it in the book only, no need to do in the copy. कॉपी में आप सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, डायग्राम्स एंड वर्कशीट्स करेंगे. आई एम रिपीटिंग माई सेल्फ. You will not do the fill in the blanks, match the column, true and false, these kind of questions in the classwork copy. In the classwork copy, you will be doing only the question answers, diagrams and the worksheets. Alright. So the first fill in the blank says that the same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at place is called crop. Now this is also the definition of crop. The first steps before growing crop is the preparation of the soil. You know it, right? So let's see what's the next one is. And the next one is saying damaged seeds would float on top of water, and for growing a crop sufficient sunlight and nutrients and water from the soil are essential. ठीक है, ये भी एक क्वेश्चन में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है. मैच द कॉलम आप अपने आप करिए. यू आर अ बिगर चाइल्ड नाउ इन क्लास 8, so you should be able to do it on your own. Give two examples of each of the Kharif and Rabi crop. I have already given this to you in your worksheet. Now write a paragraph in your own words on each of the following: preparation of soil, sowing, weeding and threshing. I am sure you all can write this, right? Now explain how fertilizers are different from manure. Children, this is given on page number 7. So आपने ये table, when I am asking you to differentiate, this is, here it is, right? Difference between fertilizers and manure आपको as it is उतार के copy में you have to write it just the same. ठीक है. So answers are given in the book. आपको chapter पूरा पढ़ना है. Anything can be asked from between the lines. Let's come back. What is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. अब आप ध्यान दीजिएगा. What has been asked? Fine, you will define irrigation. Now describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. What you have to do is conserve water means जो हमारी traditional techniques हैं, they do not conserve water. The modern techniques only conserve water, which are drip irrigation and sprinkler system. So you will describe about them, and you will also draw the diagram. I am asking you again यहाँ पर आपने ड्रिप इरिगेशन एंड स्प्रिंकलर सिस्टम का डायग्राम बनाना है. दिस इज़ अ 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 आई हैव ऑलरेडी आस्क्ड यू while teaching that if wheat is sown in the kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. You know it that wheat root does not require that amount of water, so the roots will get rot and the crop will die, right? Explain how the soils get affected by continuous plantation, by soil is depleted in the nutrients, right? So explain. उसके बाद क्या है? Okay. Next is what are weeds, how we can control them. You will define what are weeds and you will write both the chemical and the manual method of removal of weeds from the plants. Now question number 10 is very interesting, that arrange the following boxes in proper order to make a flow chart of sugarcane crop. This can be given for any crop, children. So the first step would be preparation of soil. उसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We will plow the field, then we will do the sowing, then we will do irrigation, then manure, then harvesting and sending crop to the sugar factory. So I am sure किसी भी crop के बारे में अगर मैं आपको दूंगी in future, you will be able to do it. And this is also very interesting. One word answers, very interesting. Down में है providing water to the crops is irrigation. Then keeping crop grains for a long time, क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Storage. So the hints are given. Certain plants of the same kind at a large scale, these are known as crops. Across a machine used for cutting the matured harvester. A rabi crop, that is also one of the pulses, gram. ठीक है. A process of separating the grain from chaff, winnowing. So it's very easy. If you are in class 8, you won't be getting this easier, but fine. You don't have to do this question also into your copy. Let it be in the book. And this is all everything about chapter number 1. On next turn we'll begin another chapter. So this is all for today. Thank you very much. Happy learning.